Hey, welcome to the Microsoft Word 101 course. My name is Kyle Pugh, and I'll be your instructor guiding you through mastering the fundamental techniques of Microsoft Word. Now, I'm going to make this really quick, but a quick introduction to the course and how I've set it up to make it the most interactive experience that you can have on an online course. One, I'm going to encourage you to download the exercise files that I've provided throughout the course. Some of them are going to be buried into the section and the lecture specifically. Some of them you'll find at the beginning of the section, but make sure you download these exercise files and participate in the course material. That's really where you're going to retain and start to learn this information, not just by listening to me, although that's great, right? But it's when you get in there and you start to practice these techniques. That's when you're really going to get a grasp of the material and be able to apply it to your own working situations. Okay? So download those exercise files. At the end of each section, I'm giving you a few questions to answer, a little quiz. Test your knowledge, make sure you're understanding the material, and if there's something that you're not quite clear about, jump back into the videos, rewatch them. I've made them really small and quick. Get back in there and watch these videos. Or jump into the QA section. I love answering questions. I make it a personal goal of my own each and every day to jump in there and answer questions that you may have about my courses, about specific concepts or features inside of Microsoft Word or in whatever course you're taking. So download the exercise files, practice the techniques, test yourself on the questions at the end of each section, and make sure you participate in the course. Make it interactive by jumping into the QA section and interact with me. Ask some questions and I'll get in there and reply for you. So let's make this the best course ever within Microsoft Word and start to master these fundamental techniques within the Microsoft Word 101 course.